is there such thing as overtrading. All right, so here it is. Like, and I don't want to disrespect anybody's line of thinking, but let's have a scenario, right? Let's just say you take no more than 10 trades a day. 10 trades a day. Are you overtrading if you take 11? Here we go. What about this? Let's say you lose $1,000 9 times in one day. Then your 10th trade, you make $250,000. Did you overtrade? You know what I'm saying? How many trades should you take? I think that totally depends on you. I don't know if it's about the amount of trades. What I do believe is that you should only risk a certain percentage of your total capital per day. Because what you want to do is let your capital grow.